Are you stuck with the frustrating error message? Cannot find module rxjs while trying to set up your TypeScript and Webpack project? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue head-on and get you back on track. I totally understand how annoying it can be when everything seems to be working fine, but you keep getting that pesky error. It can feel like you're so close to success, yet so far away. You're definitely not the only one facing this challenge. Let's dive into the specifics of your situation. One user recently asked, "Why can't I resolve the module rxjs in my TypeScript and Webpack setup?" They mentioned that they are using a simple Webpack configuration and have installed rxjs, but they still see that error message. Sound familiar? Let's work through this together. So what could be causing this issue? The error message usually indicates that Webpack can't find the rxjs module in your project. This could be due to a few reasons, such as incorrect installation, missing configuration, or even a typo in your import statement. Let's break it down step by step. And stick around. I have a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. You won't want to miss it. To resolve the issue of not finding the module rxjs, the user should first ensure that rxjs is correctly installed in their project. They can do this by checking the package.json file for the rxjs dependency. If rxjs is listed in the package.json file, the next step is to verify that it is installed in the node modules directory. The user can do this by running a command in the terminal. If rxjs is not installed, the user can install it by running the npm install command. This will ensure that rxjs is available for the project. After confirming that rxjs is installed, the user should check their TypeScript configuration. They need to ensure that the tsconfig.json file includes the correct settings for module resolution. Finally, if the issue persists, the user should restart the Webpack process. Sometimes changes are not picked up until the process is restarted. Fun fact, did you know that rxjs stands for Reactive Extensions for JavaScript? It's a powerful library for handling asynchronous data streams. Now let's get back to fixing that error. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution suggests adding node modules to your Webpack resolve.modules configuration. This helps Webpack locate the rxjs module correctly. Here's the tip I promised. Always double-check your import statements for typos. A small mistake can lead to big headaches, so make sure everything is spelled correctly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cannot find module rxjs error. Remember, troubleshooting is part of the coding journey. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks.